Ensure your Roku TV or streaming player is running Roku OS 9.4 or later and supports AirPlay 2. Most 4K models from 2019 or later are compatible. Ensure your iPhone is running iOS 12.3 or later. Confirm both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure your iPhone and Roku TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Enable AirPlay on Roku. On your Roku TV, go to Settings, Apple AirPlay and HomeKit and make sure AirPlay is turned on. Open Control Center. On your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. Tap Screen Mirroring. Tap the screen mirroring icon, which looks like two overlapping rectangles. Select Roku TV. Choose your Roku TV from the list of available devices. Enter passcode. If a passcode appears on your TV, enter it on your iPhone when prompted. Download an app. Download a mirroring app like Ducast or AirBeam TV from the App Store. Connect to Wi-Fi. Ensure your iPhone and Roku are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Launch the app. Open the app on your iPhone and follow its specific instructions. This often involves selecting your Roku device from the apps list and starting the broadcast from within the app. On your Roku remote, press the Home button. Navigate to Settings, Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Select AirPlay and ensure it is set to On. You can also adjust the Require Code setting here, e.g., set to First Time Only or Off for convenience. For iPhone 10 and later, swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen. For iPhone 8 and earlier, swipe up from the bottom edge of the screen. Tap the screen mirroring icon, two overlapping rectangles. A list of available devices will appear. Select your Roku device from the list. If a 4-digit code appears on your TV screen, enter it on your iPhone. Roku Mobile App. The official Roku Mobile app for iOS allows you to browse photos and videos stored on your phone and display them on the TV, though it is not full-screen mirroring. Third-party apps. Apps like AirBeam TV or MirrorMeister can facilitate mirroring, particularly if your specific Roku model does not support AirPlay directly, but generally require a separate app installation on your iPhone.